feeble humans. Let us give you our power.
What is that?
Soon, you will become unable to resist this intoxicating power.
Hey, wake up.
Mexicano, see? Now what brings a bloke like you to this part of the world? Oh, hey, easy, whoever you are.
Name's Liam. Came here looking for this girl. Seen her?
What, are you supposed to be a cop or something? Nah, you don't look the type.
Maybe.
Okay, let me guess. She's the president's daughter?
It's too good for a guess. Wanna start explaining?
Psychic powers. Nah, I'm just kidding. I overheard one of the villagers talking something about the president's daughter in the church.
Ay!
And who might you be?
Me llamo Luis Serra. I used to be a cop in Madrid. Now
Pulis
I'm
din siya?
a good-for-nothing guy who happens to be
Yun nga.
quite a ladies' man.
Why'd you quit?
Phew, Policia. You put your life on the line. Nobody really appreciates you enough for it. Being a hero isn't what it's cracked up to be anymore.
Used to be a cop myself. Only for a day, though.
I thought I was bad.
Somehow I managed to get myself involved with the incident in Raccoon City on my first day in the force.
That is the incident with the viral outbreak, right? I think I might have seen a sample of the virus in a lab at the department.
Ay! Medyo hindi ko magets yung pinag-uusapan nila.
After you.
Now,
Bakit? Hindi ko hawak yung controller ko. Gagi na bali yung leeg. Nangyari na, te. Ang dami.
Sorry
Nahuli
I
siya.
couldn't get in touch sooner, but I was a bit tied up.
You're okay, right?
Fine. There was a male civilian held captive. According to him, Ashley's in a church somewhere.
What happened to him?
He managed to escape.
Do you have a fix on the location of that church?
No. But apparently there's a secret passage in the village that leads there. I'm heading back to the village.
Okay. Ayan. So, nakalagpas na ako sa village, sa farm, and na-meet niya yung, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nun, wala kasing subtitle eh. Ruiz something? Tama ba yung pagkakarinig ko? I don't know. Asan yung, walang subtitles? Oh. Last time na nilaro ko to, may subtitles to, alam ko eh. Pero ayun. Uy, sino yan?
Over here, stranger.
Ay, oo, chapter 1-2 na ako. Ayan, chapter 1-2. Nahuli kami nung yung matangkad. Ayan, yung merchant.
Interest you.
Astig talaga.
Good things on sale, stranger.
Okay, specialized kind of one charger. Oh, so that's what those metal... Okay. We definitely have to look for them. Do I need Okay, mamaya na yung
Is that
ano.
old Thank you.
Taray, parang gusto ko bilhin tong TM. Ano to? Machine gun? Ito na, machine gun. Wait lang. First aid spray.
Is that old strength?
Ayan! Tapos wala naman akong bala, no?
Thank you.
Galing! Oh, yun lang yung kaya kong bilhin. Bilhin ko pa sana tong rifle.
What are you
Paano
buying?
tune up? Oh, we can upgrade them. Firepower.
Is that Thank you. Is Thank you.
Okay, ayan. Yep, see ya. Wala na akong pera. Mamaya ka na ulit. Sana ma-encounter pa kita ulit. Napakamahangin dito. Nasa cliff. Okay. Good luck sa atin. Mukhang bogbogan portion to. Ayan na nga. Oh, buhay pa. Ay. Ay, gagi. Yun ang hagis. Gagi. Asan yung nangahagis na yun? Mamamaya tamaan ako eh. Mamumula na naman sa Leon. Ay, ang dami niyo. Wait lang. Gagi. Oh my god, empty agad. Wala kang akong... awet! Ala, yan na siya! Yung talaga yung nakakainis yung naghahagis ng bomba. Wala, ang dami nila. Ay, gogi! Lumalaban pa! Nakakalaban pa yun? Mayroon din dito. Pero kailangan ko ng baril. Ay, ng bala. Oh, wow! Oh my god, ang siyang umasinta! Oh my god! Takbo! Sasabog yan! Uy! Hindi ka nagsasalita. Diyan ka pala. Sabi na meron pa dito eh. Come on. Wait, ayokong dumaan dyan. Dito tayo. Meron pa ba? May music pa eh. Yes, naka-controller ako now. And, yeah, mas maganda yung controller controls compared sa sa keyboard. Medyo naloka ako sa keyboard. Ay, isa-isa lang po! Tara na nga, takbo! Sige. Wait, ang dami po nyo! Ay, meron pa! Oh my goodness! Naubusan na ako ng Tangina! Ah! Wait lang! Wala na akong bala! Ay, wait. Meron pa to. Kala nyo ha? Ayan! Ay! Nasaan? Oh my God! Nasaan yung naghahagis? Nandiyan pala kayo ha? Visit! Ano ba mga bala to? Shotgun shells. Eto pala eh. Okay. Sige. Tara, laban. Nasaan na kayo? Teka, habang wala pa sila. Hanapin naman ako niyan. Pulutin muna natin to. Mga bala din to ng baril. Nasaan na yun? Yung Oh my God! Nasaan yung naghahagis? Sabi na eh. Oh, fuck. Putik, ba't nag-reload ka? Ito pala, may akyatan pala dito eh. Ano, buhay ka ba? Buhay pa nga. Ayan, tama yan. Mag-iwan ka ng bahala. Okay, nice. Mukhang dito at ang daan. Okay, mukhang hindi pala. It's just a high ground. So, saan? And mukhang may mga kalaban pa kasi may music pa. Ay, ayan nga. Okay naman. Parang OA niya dun ha. Mamimili lang Lurk welte. And shopping welte. Ako ay mag-i-struggle muna dito. Habang namimili ka dyan. Teka, saan ba yung daan dito? Ayan, nandiyan ka pala ha. Wait, what is this? Oh, yung susi. Okay, let's go. Okay, mukhang ubos na sila. Wala nang music. Nice. Now, we can finally find that key in peace. Wala na nang gugulo. Okay, so where is it? Where the heck is that key? Pwede pala buksan itong mga lockers. Yan. Wait, can we combine it? Ito ba yung increase your maximum health? Okay, nice. I need that. Parang ang baba naman ng bigay na maximum health. Siguro kasi I need multiple yellow herbs. So that's why. Where can I find the other half for this emblem? I'm pretty sure I might have missed it here somewhere. Hopefully it's here. Come on, pakita ka na. Uy, wow! May lagusan pala dito. Ayan! Nakita ko na! Tara, let's! At lumayas na tayo dito. I am sick of this place. Char! Saglit lang ako nandito. Wait. Wait, nasan yung daan? Nasan yung gate? Take it now, my baby, go. Ito yung parang mas nakakatakot eh, yung tahimik eh. You only hear the howling winds. Yan. Alright, let's go! Next area. Okay, nasa na yung mga babarilin natin? Asa na yung gusto nyo ipapusil? Ano to? Ba't may lagusan dito? Pera to. Ba yan? Amo lang? Random. Kala ko may hagdan. Okay, baka may mga loot dito na hindi ko nakikita na nagbe-blend in lang masyado sa environment. I don't have the sharpest eye, okay? So, ayun. Wait, what is that? How do we get there? Uy! Gagi. Buti hindi tumama. Oh my goodness. Kailangan ko pa mag-reload. Shining Shimmer. Oo nga, tingin. Mask. Parang collectible ba yun? Or baka key item? Yan! Wait, meron pa? Ooh! Gagi. Sira ulo kayo. Teka, baka mamaya matapakan ko to eh. Ay! He's just standing there. Huwag yan! Tagal mamatay ah! Oh my god! We've run out of ammos again. Ah! Empty din to! Putik. Ayan. Sinaksak ko lang, sinaksak. Nakakainis. Wala akong ano, wala akong bala. Ay nako. Ooh, my water. Bakit may yes or no prompt pa kapag magte-take ng item? Ah, sa bagay, kasi napupuno yung ano pala, no? Inventory. Oh, how do we get that? Is there somewhere I missed here? Uy! Oh, wait. Pwede nga pala ibenta to dun sa ano, no? Sa merchant. Oh my... Finally! Okay. Check ko lang kung baka may daanan dito na hindi ko nakikita papunta dun sa ano. Okay, yaman na nga yan. Anyways. Lah! Come on. Uy! Yan, tama yan. Para hindi masayang yung mga bala ko. Wait, nasan siya? Ay! Wala nga pala akong bala, no? Ba't nagsasayang pa ako dito? Pero parang gusto kong makita anong mangyayari dito eh. Ooh, we can take it! Pwede pala. And then, ayun, laki ng ano. Ang laki ng sakop. Ayan. Okay. Nasaan na yung hagdan? I need you. Ano na to? What's that? O yan, Leon, ayusin mo. Ew. Dirty brass pocket watch. Kadiri. Ano laman yung tubig na yun? Tapos doon pa nalaglag yung pocket watch. Hayop. Ay, gani. Buti napansin ko yun. Mga booby traps. Ay! Nakula na nga akong bala. Kailangan ko pagamitin to. Okay. Diretso lang. What is this? Which way would you turn it? Hindi. Paano to? Ayan! Okay, it just has to match with the other symbols at the side. Bedroom ata nito yung... Bedroom ata to nung pari. Kanina sa cinematic. What is that? Chief's note. Sila mudra. Ayun yung... Ay, gogi!
You carry the same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless, you're an outsider. Just remember, if you become unpleasant to our eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
Medyo may jump scare dun, ha?
What? Same blood.
Nga makatay siya dun, eh.